Hi, I'm Thalita. I'm a marketing automation consultant and trainer based in Lisbon, Portugal. Welcome to my channel. If you're into marketing, tech, and AI, you are in the right place. I specialize in HubSpot, so you'll find a lot of step-by-step HubSpot tutorials and workflows here. But not only HubSpot, we have content about other CRMs and marketing tools, plus AI tools for marketers, freelancers, and business owners who want to work smarter, not just harder. If you are a marketer trying to level up your tech skills, a freelancer or consultant wanting a stronger portfolio, a business owner, or just a curious professional who loves marketing and tech, you'll find a ton of practical, no fluff videos here. From hands-on tool tutorials to career advice, digital minimalism, productivity, and much more, it's all organized into playlists so you can binge exactly what you need next. So take a look around, pick a playlist that matches your goals, and make yourself at home. And if you want to keep growing your marketing tech skills with me, don't forget to subscribe.